now thinking of how to re-style this condo. Initial thought, we'll have to change the kitchen, redo a lot of stuff, and also the toilet. Mamaya sa toilet, pakita ko ano yung naisip kong gawin. Okay, so as I said, we might redo the kitchen kasi right now, this countertop, yung particle board type na countertop, ayan. So, nag-open na nga siya eh. So, hearing nyo, this condo haven't been used ng sobrang gamit na gamit talaga. Tapos, we don't have a space for the microwave, so we might redo this whole cabinet thing na magpifit yung microwave. Or, we'll have to look for another microwave na mas maliit ng konti para mag-fit. So, it depends on what we will be deciding later. So, we should look for a cooker over here para pasok tayo sa space that we have. Alam ko, history, they moved this kasi hindi kasya yung fridge. Super lapad ng fridge, I think. Tapos, nga now, hindi na sakto yung linya rito. So, we have to think about that as well. Mataba talaga yung fridge niya, no? So, in the toilet, okay, they made this daw for storage. So, I don't know if we want this kasi medyo hindi siya maganda. Pero, because it's there, let's see if we can work things out. Then, we'll put the washing machine over here. Then, the rest, ayun na, styling, like this one, tanggalin natin. The main idea is to extend the counter to create a bigger workspace, and also as a support for the induction cooktop, we are replacing the far right cabinet to a hanging ledge to place the existing microwave. We are also changing the cabinets to a more neutral colors. We chose a light gray laminate to do the job. Aside from that, we are creating an open space under the cooktop to create an illusion of a built-in oven. For the countertop, we are replacing the old particle board to a white polished quartz, and also installing subway tiles for backsplash. Okay, so we are mobilizing now. Ayan. Change namin to. We'll remove this one. Change namin ng cabinet. Installing naman yung washing machine. So, sakto.
Kaya ba?
Yun. Hi everybody! So, welcome back. Actually, as you remember, ang i-style lang talaga namin is the kitchen, and then a little bit of the toilet, tapos the rest are just like a bonus styling. So right now, what we are doing, we are putting some backsplash. Wala pa yung kitchen eh, kasi we are still waiting for the manufacturing yung kitchen. Pero right now, nag-backsplash muna kami. We're using subway tiles. Medyo, alam niyo yan, uso yung subway tiles. And I really like it. Sometimes, yung ibang tao, they try to avoid because nga, a lot of people are using it. Pero for me, I still like it. Ayun. So, later I'll tour you guys pag medyo nalinis ko na yung lugar. Sobrang kalat right now. So, okay. So, ayun yung progress today. See you! Okay, so we have our modules. Ito na yung mga modules natin for the kitchen. So, excited na ako to see how we will fix all of this here and how it will look like. Sana walang ka-problem because we only have 2 more days. So, medyo crunch day. Last day namin ngayon. And look at all this mess. So, hopefully, by the end of the day, malilinis na namin to. Well, actually, may cleaner ako darating mamaya. I'm going to put some stuff on this wall. And hopefully, maging okay na lahat. So, update you guys later. Cheers full. We have 2 hours left and wala pa yung countertop namin. So, let's see. Then after finish work. Ito na yung hinihintay na ang tagal. At ang oras ay, oh my gosh. Okay, so we are done here in the condo. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. The mga updates. Tapos, till next time. Thank you guys.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine.